This is a car hack I find out recently. I wish I would have found out a long time ago. I will show you how you can change your old ugly looking car keys into this smart key. You need to do some DIY. In this video, I will convert my BMW key into this smart key and I will show you how you can do it too. Apart from a stylish and futuristic looking key, it has a feature of unlocking your car automatically when you are going close to your car, and it will lock your car automatically when you are going away from your car. So if you have some stuff in your hands, you don't want to unlock your car with your hand engaged with the keys, so this is the solution, and I think this is the very best solution for that. So let's unbox this smart key. Its model number is T800 plus. Protective foam, quality certificate, manual. It's in Chinese. It's in English also. It will become useful while installing the circuit. This is the OBD connector, which will go inside the vehicle and it will sense my presence, so whenever I go close to the vehicle, it will automatically unlock my vehicle. This is the charging port. It's micro USB, not USB-C. This is the key fob. It looks really futuristic, shiny and luxurious. Here is the comparison for my BMW key and this smart key. It looks like it's 30% bigger than my BMW key, but it's not a big deal. It has 4 physical buttons: unlock trunk, unlock the vehicle, lock the vehicle, and if you have an option in your vehicle for comfort start or something, you can add to this button also. This is the power button of the key. This is the charging port. So if you push the power button, the display will be on. Swipe up, swipe left. Inside here, you need to fix the circuit of your car battery. Here is the cable and screws to solder this cable into my circuit board of this key, which will I replace in here. And yeah, this is it. Let's get started. In order to convert this key into this key, you need some soldering iron and little bit of skills of soldering yourself. If you don't know how to do the soldering, I recommend you to take this key to any mobile repair shop and tell them to do it for you. You can also comment in this video if you want to do it from me. While this is heating up, I will open my key. I need some pry tools in order to open this key because it is glued. One thing you should know, that if you have a BMW like this, then your key cover is going to be gone because it's glued, and once it's open, it will be destroyed. You need to be careful not to break your circuit. See, it's opening now, so I need to carefully pry it and it will be open like this, and you have a circuit board with you. Be careful with this. This costs too much if you damage your key. Now let's start the soldering part. I have a small vise. I can use it to secure my PCB while I'm soldering, so it will not move here and there.
One eternity later.
I have soldered this negative wire into this negative battery pole, the positive one with the positive port. This is the boot, this is lock, and this is unlock. White is unlock, green is lock, the blue is for trunk unlock. I need to plug this here. You need to keep your antenna upside as per the instruction. Make sure your wires are not getting damaged. Put the protective foam back. And that's it. Now I'm moving towards my car. I'm not pressing any button. We will see if it unlocks. I'll just wait here. Nothing. Nothing. Yeah, now it unlocks. looks nice here. Push button is not supported with this vehicle, but those vehicles who have auto start option, this key will support it. So my final thoughts for this key is that this is okay. It locks very well, but when it comes to unlocking the car, it takes a little bit, like 1-2 seconds to unlock until you reach the handle. Maybe I will tweak some settings so it will be okay. And for those cars who have auto cabin, auto ignition, or like comfort option, this key will support it. It will start the engine while you are outside. If you program the key like this, only settings need to be changed, and that's it. Yeah, it's a great piece of technology. If you have any further question, just comment it down and I will try to reply it as quickly as possible. See you.